Welcome to the Configuring Date and Time training module. The ZTC console allows you to define your date and time utilizing an NTP server or manually setting the time. Stratus recommends the use of an NTP server to configure your time. To set your date and time in the ZTC console, click Preferences in the left-hand navigation panel to open the Preferences page. On the Preferences page, click Date and Time. When you log onto the ZTC Edge system for the first time, you should configure the date and time to enable NTP service. Using the NTP service automatically sets the system clock and ensures that it does not drift from the actual time. Please be aware that when you change the date and time settings, the primary physical machine may reboot and the secondary physical machine may shut down if the system time is drifted from the actual time. All virtual machines are stopped, and business processing is interrupted until the reboot is complete. Note, the clock swaps between time zones whenever VMs migrate or restart. To ensure that the time zone in the VMs do not change, set the time zone in all VMs to correspond to the time zones configured for the ZTC Edge system. Configure all VMs to use the same NTP servers as those configured for the ZTC Edge system. To configure date and time settings, in the date and time display, the default setting for configure time zone is America, New York. Select a time zone appropriate for your location if necessary. Select one of the following for configure date and time. Automatically, which is recommended, enables NTP service. Type NTP server addresses in the text area, one per line. Specifying multiple NTP servers provides redundancy. Manually allows you to manually enter settings. Note, if you configure time manually, the ZTC Edge system's time may drift from actual time. Click Save to save the changes, or click Reset to restore the previously saved values. If the system requires a reboot because of a time drift, a message appears in the ZTC console masthead telling you that the system will reboot. In this case, the primary physical machine reboots and the secondary physical machine shuts down. While the primary physical machine reboots, you lose your connection to the ZTC console. When the reboot is complete, the physical machine reestablishes a connection to the console, and you receive an alert telling you to restart the secondary physical machine. This completes the Configuring Date and Time training module. Thank you for viewing this module.